Welcome back. Hosting a 4th of July celebration this weekend and need some ideas for the menu? Well, today we are getting some here in the kitchen. The PA Beef Council is sponsoring this segment this morning, and registered dietitian nutritionist Beth Stark joins me. Beth, good to see you again.
Good morning. Great to see you.
Absolutely. All right, so we're talking about a memorable and tasty gathering for less.
That's right.
So the first tip you have is to choose a versatile, affordable cuts of beef. So what are some examples
That's
here?
right. I mean, we're all trying to save money, right? And you don't want to sacrifice that celebration, the fun, or the food, you know, with the cost savings. So,
correct.
You know, you can use a lot of different versatile cuts of beef, such as flank steak, strip steak, and ground beef, to really add lots of flavor to your holiday, you know, 4th of July celebrations or any summer meals. And they're a little bit more budget friendly than some other cuts. So, you know, we're talking about versatility in a flank steak that can easily be marinated and grilled for fajitas or used to top a salad. A strip steak could be a more affordable substitute for a ribeye. And let's not forget about ground beef for sizzling burgers.
Yeah, and everybody loves those, especially on July 4th.
Absolutely.
All right, so you have a recipe for Zesty barbecue cheeseburgers. Let's talk us through that here.
Yeah. I mean, again, burgers are just so synonymous with summer and with grilling. So this recipe uses lean ground beef that has, you know, per 3-ounce portion, we're getting 10 essential nutrients, zinc, iron, B vitamins, 25 grams of quality protein. And again, burgers are just so fabulous this time of year. And this recipe in particular is very quick and easy because it's using just the ground beef, some red onion, bottled barbecue sauce you probably have available already, and then your favorite type of cheese. So you're grilling it up, topping it with you know, some vegetables, even some fruits like pineapple, and a whole grain bun.
Yeah, and it looks good and it smells good. You know, who doesn't love barbecue sauce? Keeps the burger moist.
Absolutely.
All right, we've mentioned it, but ground beef does offer nutrition, so talk about that. I'm assuming protein's a big benefit.
Oh, for sure. And you know, I spoke specifically there about ground beef, but beef across the board, you know, per that 3-ounce portion, which is about the size of your palm or a deck of cards, you know, somewhere within that kind of range. Again, you're getting that 10 essential nutrition profile and 25 grams of quality protein, which we know is really great to keep your appetite kind of at bay, and it just fuels, you know, active living and performance and all those different things.
Absolutely. All right, so we're going to get another recipe and some more tips coming up in a little bit, but how can folks get this recipe and more information about beef?
Yeah, for sure. So this is, again, the Zesty barbecue cheeseburger. If you go to pabeef.org, search that phrase, you'll be able to find that online, amongst, you know, tons of other grilling recipes too. And it gives you some different solutions too for how to bring it all together with seasonal fruits and vegetables, do a burger topping bar. There's a lot of great solutions there.
Yeah, and it's all right in one spot. So,
absolutely.
Beth, thanks so much. We're going to chat more coming up in just a little bit, but before we do go to the break, we want to thank the PA Beef Council for sponsoring the previous segment. We're coming back after this.